Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.